14A, number 1. Look at figure 1 and make a list of the ways to roll a total of 5 spots. What is the chance of throwing a total of 5 spots with 2 dice? So if we look at the chart, I did. I just wrote them down. Okay, where are all the 5 spots? They would be the 4th diagonal. I think it's on. Yep, it's on. Thanks, though. So the first diagonal contains nothing but 1s. The second diagonal contains, 2s, and then the second diagonal contains 3s, 4s, and all of these, Megan Jensen, who's not paying attention, add up to 5. Your name is forever etched into the history of this class. So, how many ways are there to roll a 5? 4 ways for a total of, out of 36, so 4 out of 36 is 1/9. Okay? All right. So number 3, a pair of dice is thrown 1,000 times. What total should appear most often? 7. Why is that? Because this diagonal is longer than any of the others. Okay? So this has a chance of 7 out of 36, which, if we put that in percentage form, is 19.5% almost. Okay, so the question asks, what total should appear most often? 7. And what total should appear least often? 2 and 12. So 2 only has one option and 12 only has one option. Now I'm going to go one step further. If we rolled 1,000 times, how many 7s do we expect? How would you find that? Well, we expect 19.5% to be 7s. So if I took 1,000 and timesed it by 19.44444, I get 194.4. Now, we would round this, right? You can't have half of a 7. Or at least you don't get credit for half of a 7. And that's kind of where we're headed. So we're going to go into a place where we make predictions on what we think is going to happen if we roll 1,000 times. And then we'll take that one step further, and then we'll take that one step further. And eventually, we'll start studying statistics. We're not there yet. We're just getting ready to study statistics. Okay? Well, how many 2s do you expect in 1,000 rolls? How would you calculate that? Well, how many 2s are expected? 1 for every 36 rolls, which is almost 3%. And we times that by 1,000. And I would expect how many? 28. Right? We need to round that up to the nearest dice roll. Because is this situation discrete or continuous? It's discrete. Right? We're counting rolls. We can't have half a roll. All right. That takes care of A.